The Bismarck Blizzard welcome the holiday break as they start to prepare for the stretch run of this season. After 4 straight wins, the Blizzard are looking like the team that won 6 straight titles. That's all thanks to the depth that they have in their offense. 11 different players have scored the 24 goals that Bismarck has put in the back of the net. And there's a sense that this team's playing a little looser without the pressure of defending a state title.
You got to kind of bring that same mentality and that same level of competition every single day. And then just remember, it's just a game. I think that last year, we had that monkey on our back for so long, and maybe to shed that provides a little bit more relief that the kids can just come out here and have fun and not put so much pressure on themselves.